Hello and welcome to Umbraco Learning Base. Jonathan here. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add a technical contact to your Umbraco Cloud project. You need to have a technical contact on your project so we know who to contact when we are doing maintenance on Umbraco Cloud. Okay, so here we are on my project and let's go to the settings tab up here and edit team. In here we can, if we scroll down, see the technical contacts down here. I already have one added. As a user used to create the project will automatically be added as a technical contact. If we go up here and click add technical contact, we can enter the name of the technical contact and we can add the email where we should contact them. And lastly, we can add a phone number. Once it has been added, we can go ahead and confirm it. And as we can see down here, the technical contact has now been added as well. You can of course edit it, or you can remove it as well. However, you do need to have at least one technical contact added. Great, now you know how to add a technical contact to your Umbraco Cloud project, and we know who to contact. Great, that's all that I have for you in this video. My name is Jonathan, and I'll see you in the next one. Jonathan out.